Assalamu alaikum. This story begins with my mother, her bird, at the graveyard visiting her grandmother, making dua. She came home that day saying, Tariq, the bird is acting sketched out, weird. I pondered for a few seconds and I remembered a hadith. Not every owner knows their pet's personality, and we certainly know ours. So this was not normal behavior. I decided, let's take another visit to that graveyard and let's bring the camera this time. Oh yeah, in that hadith, you wanna know what it said? Here we go, we are going to the graveyard to visit our grandmother and make dua for her. We are just now entering the cemetery.
Like old Lord. Here we are. Oh hey, oh hey, y'all. well. I'm scoping out the scene. Oh, saw the way he looked up and down?
Yeah.
Look, his eyes are...
Exactly.
Oh.
Her behavior just changed. Now she's not... Now she ain't so funny anymore.
She's looking all around.
I'm getting creeped out right now. She's looking down.
She looks weird.
Watch out for the grave.
Yeah. What happened? She's tripping. She's not acting cool anymore.
Yeah, she was having fun earlier. Now she's uncomfortable.
Yeah.
How tight is her grip on your hand?
She's very uncomfortable.
Does she have a tight grip?
Almost. Looking down.
Yeah, she is looking down.
Screams.
Oh, that's great.
She's looking down.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Allahu Akbar.
Is that what you're hearing?
Oh, she's getting scared.
Over here. She's tripping.
Alright, we're leaving and she is ready to leave. Go ahead. Look at her. She wants to go in the car, dude. She's gone, bro. She outie. She is outie. Take me home.
She's happy.
Take me home. She said.
Yeah, you want to leave.